Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Dominion box break number 102. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Show number in the box is NE189-815-749. That's NE189-815-749. Let's get on with the break. We have a decoy, and upside down, flip them over. We have our other decoy. First off is a base card for the Wild of Mikko Koivu, 108 out of 199. We have an auto rookie card of Gabriel Bork for the Predators, number 96 out of 199. And we have a patch auto rookie for the Canadiens of Alexei Emelin, 110 out of 199. Auto patch card for the Predators of Pekka Rinne, 33 out of 60. And you have a Mammoth swatch card for the Blue Jackets of John Moore, 4 out of 50. We have our Peerless Patches dual. It's 2 out of 5. Leave that one right to the end. We have a jersey card for the Canadiens of Rafael Diaz, 83 out of 100. And then a base card for the Ducks of Ryan Getzlaf, 6 out of 199. So here's a Peerless Patches dual, 2 out of 5. Got a beautiful hit here. It's a Patrick Waugh and Martin Brodeur. Sweet looking patches. Patrick Waugh and Martin Brodeur. Card number 15 is going to be randomized between the Avalanche and the Devils. So let me just get the random set up. Here we go, between Colorado and New Jersey, going to randomize it 3 times. So 1, 2, and 3. So Colorado, you get that awesome dual patch card of Patrick Waugh and Martin Brodeur. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.